Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another Filmora episode from this course, and right now we are covering up transitions. That is a really cool aspect when it comes to video editing, and Filmora did a great job when it comes to transitions and transitions that they kind of snatched from professional video editors, and they created their personal presets, and they are really cool looking. So let's start right away and let me show you what I think, because this is really awesome and they covered up everything when it comes to transitions. So I have the same clip that we use every single time. I have the same clip. So transitions are used as an effect to switch between scenes. So let's find our scene switch. It's at 4 seconds and 6 frames. Okay, so let's do this. So it's right here, and let's click on this and split it in half. So we have two separated clips. I'm sorry. Transitions are located right here under text at this thing right here. I can't remember its name. These arrows right here. So of course, as any other option right here, you have the all option to see every single transition, or you can find them one by one right here. So I will show you a simple one. So right here, if you click on this and press this plus right here, it's going to appear where this marker is, of course, or you can drag it up or something. So let's click a plus, and you can always drag it out or drag it in however you like. So that's for the length of it. So let's see what happens now once we play this transition. As you can see, a simple bar effect right here happened. And what I want to tell you guys, if you are adding an advanced transition and it's really needy, so it takes a lot of effects and time to happen, you will need to render it out before you play it to see how the transition looks. So let's pick one which is a little bit more advanced. So this wormhole is really cool looking. So they like snatch the ideas from Sam Calder and Taylor Cut Films and people like that who have their own sick transitions. Uh, mm, Ali A, I'm sorry. The Ali dude from YouTube, I think it's JR. They have a lot of cool transitions, and they implemented some of their transitions right here, so they are really cool looking. Trust me guys, you need to work with them because they will boost up your video game real quick and really good. So let's add this wormhole 2 right here. Let's of course, if you click on any transition and play it right here, you will see the effect happen right here before pre-rendering it, so you know what you're working with. So let's add this wormhole right here and let's see what it happens. So let's actually render it out before we even try to play it, because okay, so let's get it back right here and let's play it. Transition is really cool, but I think we should try and drag it in a little bit more. We can do that by zooming in, of course, and then we can drag it in a little bit more. So there are a lot of other cool transitions, but the ones that I would recommend you to try and mess with and try to learn how they function and try to use them in your clips are the 3D one, ripple and dissolve ones, speed, blur, and maybe some warps. The slideshow is of course for slideshow, as its name says, and the basic ones are pretty much only for picture, I would say, and that would be it. So of course you can add them to favorite and you can apply to all. What have I just done right here? Let's remove this. Oops. Let's actually get this right here. No. Okay. So right here, of course, you can fix the duration by moving this up and down. Apply duration to all. If you have any other transitions added right here, use trim frames or use repeated frames. I would recommend you to use trimmed frames, but as repeated frames will work as well sometimes. You need to test it out. It comes all with the clip that you're using. So let's get the duration back to 1. Oops. Okay, so let's get it back rolling. Yeah, these are some really cool transitions, and of course remember that once you export the video to its final product, it's not going to be choppy like this. It's going to look really great. So let's add this one also. So we have a lot of cool transitions happening right here, and Filmora did a great job when it comes to covering transitions up, and I would recommend you to test all of these and you will find your right style, because they have a lot of cool transitions and you can't be missing out on any of these. So test them out, see which one fits the most or the best for your videos. That will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about transitions. Make sure to work with them. Make sure to learn how to implement them through this video. I enjoyed, me personally. I don't know about you guys. I hope you enjoyed too. And I will see you in our next lesson. I'm out.